In a few years, the military will have technologies such as laser weapons, camouflage that makes them appear invisible, and lightweight armor with greater resistance than what we are used to seeing. The future of warfare is being rewritten by technological advancements that will change the world as we know it. What's impressive is that many of these technologies not only have the potential to alter how conflicts are fought, but could also have a direct impact on our daily lives, even without us realizing it. In this video, we will explore the 20 military technologies that are transforming the global landscape, but not in the way you might expect. Stay until the end, because what's coming is truly astonishing. Military robots changing the battlefield. Robots like Boston Dynamics Spot are already assisting in patrol tasks, supply transport and reconnaissance. These autonomous robots use AI to adapt to their environment, reducing risks for soldiers. How do you think robots will change our daily lives? Hypersonic missiles' unstoppable speed. Hypersonic missiles travel at more than 5 times the speed of sound, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Advances like Russia's Avangard allow these missiles to change direction mid-flight, evading defenses. Do you think hypersonic missiles will redefine global defense? Autonomous fighter jets, the future of air combat. Unmanned aircraft like the XQ-58A Valkyrie carry out missions without human intervention, using AI to adapt to changing conditions. Could they operate completely autonomously in the future? Cybernetic supersoldiers enhanced humans. Exoskeletons like the Onyx allow soldiers to carry heavy loads and move faster. In the future, brain implants could enable them to control drones and weapons just by thinking. How do you think supersoldiers will change the concept of war? Smart bullets like those from the Zacto program adjust their trajectory mid-flight to hit moving or long-distance targets with absolute precision. Stealth technology used in aircraft like the F-35 makes vehicles practically invisible to radar, allowing them to infiltrate high-security areas undetected. What impact would invisibility have on the battlefield? Nanoweapons enable attacks at the molecular level, such as nanobots that can disable targets without causing physical damage. How would the world change if we could attack at a molecular level? AI, like those developed by DARPA, analyzes data rapidly, providing tactical strategies and predicting enemy movements in real time. How do you think AI will change military decision-making? Laser weapons such as Lockheed Martin's Helios can destroy targets in seconds without the need for ammunition, and their range and power continue to improve. Space weapons, like rods from God, allow attacks on Earth from space, using the velocity of projectiles to cause destruction without explosives. What consequences would space militarization have on global security? Swarm drones work together to perform complex missions, such as reconnaissance or attacks, and remain operational even if some are lost. Could swarm drones replace human forces in certain missions? Cyber warfare tools can attack enemy digital systems like Stuxnet, which destroyed nuclear facilities. How would global conflict change if cyber warfare became the main form of combat? Augmented reality in battlefields provides soldiers with live enemy and environmental data in their field of vision, improving coordination and reducing errors. How would combat change if soldiers could see all vital information through smart glasses? Electromagnetic railguns fire projectiles at hypersonic speeds without using explosive propellants, making them cheaper and more efficient than traditional missiles. Quantum radar uses quantum mechanics to detect objects that conventional radars cannot, such as stealth aircraft or hypersonic missiles. Electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, weapons disable electronic equipment, without physical destruction, disrupting communication and defense systems over large areas. What impact would EMP weapons have on modern warfare? Sonic weapons emit frequencies that can incapacitate or disorient people without permanent harm, making them useful for crowd control or targeted attacks. What do you think about weapons that can incapacitate without causing harm? Adaptive camouflage changes color and texture in real time, making soldiers and vehicles invisible to both the naked eye and radars. Advanced armor made from graphene offers greater impact resistance while remaining lightweight, improving soldier protection without compromising agility. How would soldiers' roles change if they were fully protected without losing mobility? Underwater drones like the Orca XLUV are revolutionizing naval warfare. These drones conduct reconnaissance and attacks without a crew, operating autonomously. How would naval warfare change if underwater drones became the norm? The 20 military technologies we've explored today have the potential to change not only how wars are fought, but also how we interact with the world. From robots fighting alongside soldiers to weapons that travel at hypersonic speeds, these innovations are redefining modern conflict. The future of warfare is more technological than ever, and as each advancement unfolds, the boundaries of what is possible continue to expand. However, these advancements also raise ethical concerns, privacy issues, and questions about who controls these powerful tools. If you're fascinated by the future of military technology and want to explore more about this topic, subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, leave a comment telling us which of these technologies do you think will change the world first.